Stop spending up to $7 on a Crunchwrap from Taco Bell when you can make them for. It's healthier, lower in calories, and tastes better.
This is so much better than Taco Bell.
For a cheap 2-ingredient cheese sauce, add 2 tablespoons of milk in a pot and 2 slices of American cheese and keep stirring it on medium-low heat till it looks like this. Get a pan on medium to medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, get a big handful of meat.
That's what she said.
Put it in the pan. If you don't hear this sizzling sound, you know that the pan is not hot enough. Let it cook for around 5 minutes untouched, then start breaking it apart into small pieces. Season with around 2 teaspoons of taco seasoning and a teaspoon of salt. Mix it up and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes and set it aside. For the tostada in the middle, I'm using a small flour tortilla and throwing it in the air fryer for 5 to 6 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit.
Get one Roma tomato and dice it up.
It's much easier to cut tomatoes when you use the tip of the knife like shown.
Get one leaf of romaine lettuce and do the same.
Grab your large flour tortilla, add your cooked beef, top it off with the cheese sauce, add the air fryer tortilla, a tablespoon of sour cream and spread it, as much tomato and lettuce as you like, add another small tortilla on top and fold all the sides, put it back in the same pan on medium heat with the folded side down. This is very important to seal it. Optionally add some butter on top and cook it till it's golden brown on both sides. Cut it in half and make sure you